Okay. So continue. So shift number 6. One who is reciting Krias Shema should not signal with his eyes. Okay, he's he's about interruptions. Right? He should not signal with his eyes and should not mouth words silently with his lips. Like you try, like so they can read your lips. And should not point with his finger. Okay, so he should not signal with his eyes, like say something silently, or like point with his fingers. However, when it is necessary for a mitzvah purpose, one is permitted to signal while reciting the second paragraph of the Shema. The Chaya im Shamon. So first paragraph, so the first line and the whole paragraph, you're not allowed to interrupt, but in I would say the best is between the paragraph. But if in I don't know, maybe if necessary, maybe somebody is looking for tefillin, and you saw that somebody moved it, so you can show this guy where the other person put his tefillin. Basically, something like very necessary.